a social networking platform using which you can interact with the risk management professionals. Okay, now the statistics, if you see, out of the world top 50 banks, 48 banks have FRM holders. Okay, so this is the fact that out of 50 top banks, 48 banks have FRM holders. Okay, FRM holders, they represent 36 different industry sectors. It's not only banking, it's not only risk management, but you find FRM holders under in 36 different industry sectors in the world. Okay, so this is the wide scope of this certification that you see. Okay, now what are the work what are the work profiles that you see for the FRM candidates? So the work profiles by FRM is extremely challenging, and if you see the area where FRM can use his skills are academic institutions, asset management firms, brokerage firms, security firms, commercial and retail banks, consulting firms, energy trading companies, exchange, insurance companies, investment boutique. Investment boutiques are like which are only focused on private wealth management. Okay, investment bank or merchant bank, auditing firms, because if you see auditing firms, they are very much interested in operational risk, so it give you that exposure. Regulatory bodies and government organization, especially who are dealing with your risk management part. Okay, then you have like software vendors also recruit lots of FRM. Technology companies, they recruit lots of FRM people. So the scope of FRM is wide. Okay, so the scope of FRM is wide. No, see, okay, there's a question like, is there something Indian FRM and international FRM? No, FRM is only being conducted by GARP, and nobody copied FRM in India. Like if I copied CFA, so there's only one FRM certification in the world. Okay, and that is by GARP. So there is no other body which provides FRM certification. There is, however, one more certification, as I told that time, it's a PRM certification. So PRM is professional risk manager, and you can see that website is premia.org. So premia.org, they conduct the PRM designation. Okay, now let's see like the work profile. This is the work profile we have seen. So how is the demand for FRM professionals? I will say that FRM is much more better than PRM in terms of the recognition in the market. And if you see like countries like India, US, okay, especially like you can talk about US companies where FRM is very much popular in US. Okay, it is also popular in India also. So companies like investment banks, they recruit FRM because they need to have risk managers to take control of the trader. So let me give you a overview of how the risk management function works. So let's say this is the firm. So this is your firm, and the firm is divided into various divisions. So this is division 1 or division 2, like this, and this division will be divided into various desk. So desk 1, you have a desk 2, like that, and in each desk you have traders. So you have trader 1, you have trader 2, like that. So what happens is the firm needs to monitor the risk at the firm level. The firm need to monitor the risk at the department level. The firm has to monitor the risk at the desk level, and the firm has to monitor the risk at the trader level. Now there are like lots of software which are there to monitor the risk, but ultimately the decision has to be taken by a person. So those type of people are known as risk managers. So a trader, if he is taking any trade, if it is below the limit, it is okay. Okay, so if it's below the limit assigned to the trader, he is allowed to do that. Okay, but if it is above the limit, then he has to take the approval from the risk manager, and the risk manager will analyze this trade with respect to the other trades across the firm and say that okay, you can take it or not. So what you see is like that there are the risk management team is present across the firm. So there's a demand, huge demand of risk professionals in investment management companies. So these risk professionals are in great demand in US, especially in US, because like they have suffered a lot because of this lack of risk management, and because they are also very much advanced as compared to companies in India. So they have like lots of opportunities where the traders can do a lot of manipulation, so they require a good team of risk management. So with the recent scandals, with the recent problems, we expect a lot of demand for these professionals. If you see, like, the demand for traders etc are decreasing, but the demand for risk professionals are kind of increasing. So, and let's